So here's how to become an affiliate for Systeme.io. It's very easy to do, and you can use my link down below in the description to get much quicker access. Clicking that will take you to a page that looks very similar to this. Once you do that, in order to become an affiliate, you pretty much just have to get a free plan for Systeme. So what you want to do is go here, enter in your email address, and then do get my free account. Given the fact that I already have one, I'm just going to use an incognito window and walk you through the process. So allow me to do that, and I'll show you what happens. Alright, it says almost there. You need to confirm your email address, check your spam folder, confirm it, and of course there's going to be this special offer here should you want to utilize that and get, a discount when it comes to actually using Systeme. So allow me to go ahead and confirm that, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so now that I confirmed it, I just need to create a new password, confirm I'm not a robot, I am not ChatGPT, and then click on save. Alright, so now that I am good to go, what you can do is once you're on the main dashboard, you can just hover over this and go to affiliate dashboard. And from here, just like that, you are going to be given your affiliate link where you can copy this right here and use that to promote Systeme.io. Of course, there's going to be a few other things you might want to do, like setting up how you can get paid and so on and so forth. And let me just show you quickly how you can do that as well. Alright, so what you want to do is after to set this up, you want to hover over this and go to settings. From there, you're going to go to affiliate commissions payouts. From here, you can choose a payment method. Let's just say we want to do PayPal. Add in your email, click save, and you are going to be good to go. So anyway, that's how you can sign up for the Systeme.io affiliate program. Very easy to do. Like I said, if you want quicker access, I will leave my link down below. This, of course, is how you sign up and, of course, add your payouts. So you can either get paid with PayPal or I think the other one was going to be wire transfer. Really up to you, but that's the quick video. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.